Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma G3410. What I want to do is to show you how to print network configuration report. You may need network configuration report to get admin password for the printer, or if you want to copy document from your mobile phone using the printer via Canon Print app, it may ask you to enter admin password. So to get network configuration page, you need to press information button once, release the button and wait. It will print out network configuration page that contains the admin password, and also for network configuration page, it will tell you if there's a problem with the printer and also show you wireless pin code. So this is network configuration page, and this will contain product information and also serial number and default password, network diagnostic, and also from diagnostic will tell you there is no problem from the setting or environment. Show you wireless LAN, WPS pin code enable, will give you the number, infrastructure, and every other thing that you need to know regarding the printer that you require. So this is how to print out network configuration page. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.